Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how to fix something went wrong error in ChatGPT. I'm Sabin from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So sometimes when you try to pass a question or a prompt to ChatGPT, then you might face a problem which states something went wrong in the screen, right? So in order to fix that, the first thing I'd like to recommend for you to do is just refresh the page. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you see an arrow icon right here. Just click on the arrow icon and your page shall be refreshed. If that doesn't fix a problem, then try passing a prompt, right? And even if passing a prompt doesn't work, then this is the most effective method that I'm going to teach you. You can simply go to your Gmail and then send a personalized email to OpenAI team. That should pretty much fix your problem, as the team should look into it and solve your problem as soon as possible. In the recipient section, in the to section right here, write support@openai.com. And then you can simply compose the email that I have composed and send it to OpenAI by clicking on the send button. And the team should look into it and fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's how we do it. That's how we fix the something went wrong error in ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.